My name's Dr. Paul Bolger. I'm originally from Chicago. I was born to a French mother and an American father. I remember the exact moment I wanted to be a physician. I was on the 20th floor of our apartment building in downtown Chicago, and I was about to push the button. I'd always wanted to be a veterinarian. I was probably 7 or 8 years old, and it dawned on me that if you're going to help living beings, it would be much more significant to help human beings. And at that point in time, I changed from veterinary medicine to pediatrics. I practiced emergency medicine for almost 20 years. It was very, very intellectually challenging because you're kind of supposed to be an expert in everything. So I started to think about what I could do with my future. Something good would be help prevent people from going to the emergency department. That led me to obesity medicine. From there, I joined the Obesity Medicine Association, and that led me into aesthetics. Aesthetics became a creative outlet for me. Those hand skills I developed in emergency medicine, where I have the ability, I can feel tissues as the needle goes in. I know exactly where I am and be creative. So it's a great balance for me, what I'm doing. So when I started the practice, I knew exactly what I wanted. I wanted an environment where people felt comfortable coming in, where they knew they wouldn't be judged, where they knew we share their same feelings. I didn't want patients to wait. So a lot of our patients can come in, leave the car running, get their service done, and leave. There's a lot of things I like to do in my spare time. First thing is dancing. I've always been a dancer. I actually taught advanced salsa at the dance studio. I would say my whole life revolves around my daughter. She's everything to me. I got my daughter started dancing with me, and I think when she realized that salsa was an art, as opposed and had a science behind it, and she saw the intellectual side and developed an understanding of the flow with salsa, I think that's what got her hooked. When I was young, I grew up in Chicago. It was not easy. I went to public school. I got into martial arts to protect myself and to build my own self-confidence. I realized at some point in time that the martial arts, there's always someone better. So you can't really focus on getting good. You have to focus on being the best you can be. So one of the charities I donate to is called Unbound, and I have 3 people I sponsor. And we have a program where if a patient is referred to us, they have tattoos on their hands, neck, or face that either for the felons is preventing them from progressing in terms of improving their lives, or for the military, if they can't join the military because they have a showing tattoo, we do their tattoo removal for free. It's just something I'm so proud of, and this is really one way we can contribute to the community. It feels great.